And this is the end result. This is what we'll be making for breakfast today. Let me show you how to do this. Well, this is the bread that I just made. This is the sauce that I made. I'm gonna put this, assemble all of them together, then I'll show you guys how it looks like. So with this, I saute it with some butter, put it on the fire, and this is my bacon. Yeah, that's just it. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so I got my sauce here. I'm gonna put it on top of this. I'm gonna put this on the side again as well. I'm gonna put two of this beneath. You can assemble it anyhow you want it, guys, but this is just how I like it. Just because I want to get to utilize everything. I'm gonna have this like this. I'm gonna have my tomatoes put in top. I'll put two of them. Put in my bacon. Put on top of it. Put in more of my sauce. So guys, this is how it looks like. I will just go ahead and put in some of the stuff and I'll show you guys. I'm gonna have this put on top. I'm gonna have this put on top. This. Yeah, can you see how bumpers looks? Yes. Let's choose, guys. And this is the end result, guys. This is what hubby will be having for breakfast today. Why the kids will be having that for lunch at school. So yes, thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. And this This for baby Skyra. I'm gonna make Shana's own later because she goes to school at night. So Skyra is leaving this morning. Her classes start at 8 a.m. Yeah, this tastes so good. You need to try it. And her smoothie.
Thank you for watching. I love it. Mwah.
Alright, you
And you're
guys.
the best mommy forever.
You're the best to be me. Outfit change your style. Ooh, another style. Okay.
Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome, beautiful.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay. Another style. Okay. Another one. Peace out.
Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome. Let's go.
Thank you, mommy.
Arrange your bag. Thank you guys for watching.
Hope you guys have an amazing day and don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. Mwah.